sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now.
In the morning when the sun starts to rise, so mama knows just your mind. So
Hi
mama,
guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. I am doing great myself. If this is your first time visiting my channel, hi, my name is Gilly James. You're definitely welcome to my channel. To know if you hit that subscribe button, and as you do so, God bless you. This video is a continuation of my old video, of my previous video, which I did I think 2 weeks ago. In that video, the topic of that video was how to clean your uterus. Like if you're trying to get pregnant and you want to clean your uterus, you want to prepare yourself for the pregnancy, this is a continuation of that video. In that video, I used aloe vera to clean your uterus, and I told you guys that I was going to come up with a part 2, which I was still expecting the item to do the part 2. So I received the items last week. It came to me very wet. I had to dry it completely because it needs to be dry, perfectly dry before you use it. So in today's video, I want to show you what you're going to take to continue the cleansing process from the previous video. Okay, so I'm going to take you to my kitchen to show you this item and how to prepare it and how to take it. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Okay guys, these are dried guava leaves. Okay, this is the guava leaf. This is a fertility booster. When you boil it, then you're going to drink it. And I forget to mention in my video that this drink, you can take it with your partner. It's both for male and female. Okay, while you're drinking it, make sure your partner is also drinking it. It works better when both partners are drinking it. If you have any complication and you're planning to get pregnant, you're going to get pregnant with this drink faster. I'll just go straight ahead and show you how to prepare this drink. Okay, so this is my pot. I'm just going to put in some of the leaves inside. The leaves is actually a lot, so I'm not going to use all of that. Okay. So if you have this leaf, if you have it fresh, make sure you dry it first before using it. Okay, it has to be dry. So guys, it has been boiling for 20 minutes. So I'm just going to off the gas and wait for it to cool down a bit. I'm going to show you how it looks like. So guys, this is the tea. This is how it looks like. Wow. So the best time to take this tea, you have to wait until the next day to take it. The next day, the color of the tea is going to be much darker, because the leaves have already like infused very well. So make sure you take this every day, and remember to take it with your partner. Another thing I forgot to mention was that these leaves, when you dry them, before you cook them, please do not wash it. Make sure you cook them like that, because it is believed that when you wash it, the potency of the leaves, you know, the effectiveness of the leaves is you're going to wash it out away. All right, so make sure that you cook it like that. So I've come to the end of this video. If you enjoy watching this video, give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to write comments down below to let me know what you think about this tea. I really love it. I'm going to drink it right now, and of course I'll show you in my next video. Do have a great day. Bye.